So I have a couple of products right here. I have Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 4 times strong with Durafoam extra durable, and I also have Mr. Clean, the thin eraser that cleans everywhere. These are the eraser sheets that come in this pack right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and open them up. All right, so I'm going to open this up and let you look at it. Now, these sheets are good. I use these for a lot for getting stuff off of the wall. So here is the sheets right here, and it shows you how to use. It says wet and squeeze, erase, and toss. All right, so these are really great right here. So here are the sheets right here, fairly thin sheets right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and have you look at that. All right, so pull this out. So this is the Magic Eraser. So this is a little bit stronger. You can see they feel like they're made about the same material, except for the Magic Eraser is a little bit thicker, and I'm assuming for hard to get stains that you need to get removed. So it shows right here, it says you can use this on bathrooms, walls, sinks, and more. All right, on the back of this right here, it says how to use wet, erase, toss, and it doesn't explain what you can use it on necessarily for this right here, but I'm assuming that here's the little thing right here. So what shows you what these can be used for the walls and stuff. So here's the thin one right here. I actually use these on the walls too, but it doesn't say it on here. I use this one on the wall. It's good for heavy duty, and they're both good for removing stains. So these are the Magic Erasers. Hope this was helpful. Actually, thanks a lot for watching.